Dra, me one and a message from one of a year subscribers on Mohano say a person with the genesis of a year Nana Equia Donko, any Ghana Jolof, any other social media a year TikTokers and influencers. The name swa a cofa sa near my cosui ewo interview na buy. Nam si okay. Eti me yes me pe video no. And Nana Equia Donko can sa some more can ya. Nam suma sa Bruha ina no aba e media ne so. Hi Ghana Nsem TV. Ebusuya. Medical e video a na Equia Donko in some porting ya kan ya and on to the trigger amount for social media. Tate say omo did that mo na busuya for en bedi na ebem. Sa video na e kan ho asem no eni ebusuya share video ne bro.
Honorable Kennedy upon same. Assembly was so kan Mrs. Bawumia na ware begu. Hey, honorable me di yankopon paucho aware ho ayedin. Intimate show. Menka feko wo grave fe show mu me paucho. Nsem bi wo honom na sa obeka na sa dia aware gu beba dia ene dia wanka kranka ye. Bible si winti dua na dia beba. Ba dia na mso beba no ondue. Enti honorable Kennedy Japan Mr. Enka. But at the same time no me pese bi hu say e dia de pan na wo honoma o kan dia aware no beku. Hey, information will chromo. Honorable me pacho, there's any way say ubeti me akan gu me pema sumana because say unim me me no we shiada obi no mpo picture me fa picture na ntiso since I make virus ni kwemu
Abusuya watch the video naba right. So this is the video na Equia Donko ye na the Casamuno, or to say, Honorable Kennedy Compare Ko Japan, former member of parliament, Edema Ascent Central Constituency, Afensono, 2023 presidential candidates, Edema MPP, presidential aspirants, Edema MPP, I don't know call a year 2023 presidential elections, or Ranibi. After now, we can say, MPP presidential elections are more called January 31st, no, or can be. Now, Casamuno, or to say, Owo Haji Samira Bawumia Dr. Moçk Bawumia and one sembia so the babontia na wale ni dugu and that is my be you know show how many video no ye na we can see that plate say as the mark in Japan and fast 7 babontin but show the body language the reactions me say no see na mu say na omoke maame no what you say na odi Haji Samira Bawumia odi ne ho few we na nam so ma manfon so bu free say hey sana wo ye dia and the enso ebe dey ebe tibia mo dey am won hia and na am so den sam ni nyina ba yo na me na ka say fresh reply asanso aba fresh one and na nkansuo nkanete amasanso aba mo kire se masa se wan pe bia antena na wa ma wani anko obusuan wan hwe obusuan enia mo de be ne obusuan ya asam ketua enti fresh reply and onso aba no me na oba nyina be kode akotie nsam fofora omasa na ba betudwa a omo ka kye maame na Equia Donko na ewia na ebusa ye ho say ugidi say after say wo share video enam so a o ka san semi na ene nsema nkofo guso kan de o maka na ne ya ugidi say wo ye right and also wo ye right ye nkommo nwrem ne nkotie nsem a omo de beto dwa ne no eno so mbra na ewia e ba be de no so nkomo
maami a wo ye friend say panyi wo party mo no wono ayi DNO say na dio say hwanhwani no wono wo panyi wo ne party mo no enu otimi free ni party mu ebeka obi party asem ebeka se Honorable Kennedy Japan say o wa asem bi kafa Samira ho eye na asem efa ne ho ben sempo Honorable Kennedy Japan ka sa eye wasem wo ye MPP ni wo ye NDC ni anti a wo de wo ye friend say empanyufo wo party mu a ye tumfo e na wo so obi ka na asem a emfa ho a wa bagye agina mu a wo so ba be keka nkwase asem a wo no senke ni enim se se bi kura wo ba be kanya ansasem se bi ha o mama Jolof bibi ni kura na e ya abotre na e bi anipa no kura wa ba out se ni se na emom wo ba be gina be keka nkwase asem se ye wo mpanyufo ye party ma me na so so wo panyi wo fie ena wo panyi wo party mu no wa no pass me wo panyi wo mfie me meka wasam na mo panyi wo MPP party no NDC munya asam anyam asam mu be tware mu ho atwetu atwese ka atwenkrante atwe agyan anyam asam enti wo de wo panyi wo fie na panyi tuufo na wo panyi wo party na wo panyi tuufo no na watena wo party emeka obi asem na wasa gina beka say na mama Jolof na Samia Wuku say ye no kura say mama Jolof say ni bibi ni Samia Wuku ono de Samia Wuku enya baabi de na teno na wo Usu free Ghana ko Nigeria eko ye ayi phone ayi first film pass ye do pass ko hade do pass ya ba ne do pass usu so wi na he na hade ko e maame Ghana ha na hode betina one dey say Samia Wuku timi di na kwa kotena buchi na won so oh madam fuck off
politics be any why ye true
that woman what's na movie industry mu a we nya hwe yem film wo twa ayoka o movies ayoka ena wo dia betena politics mu atiesim wo ba da ben ye ni panyi bia MPP fo ni panyi bia wo party num ye mpani ene wo papa kanaman wo papa ponche no ene wo maame jimi wo maame kwasia no ono ni ye mpani era yen ya bobra o yen ti wo bi fie o yen ye sidan amankrofo dan ni bi Obada ben enti Kevin Taylor eti krom ha odi MPP for mpanyimfo atem uhuye kwasia wate ohu kankan wate di uhuni na obi nso mu na emfa pressure emetena social eni ni media no na MPP for de wo bekan de ye de be hia ote MPP for de wo bekan ya ye de be hia NDA na NDA no na ubu NDA ana o ma usikadi so o ma usikadi se o ma usikadi a eni a enka metena ha e ma wo no medi asantefo ni ye otumfo atem me sa sister no ma mean from ebre obedi otumfo atem edi asantefo atem sa asantefo ye ho kankan ye ho ntutu kwasia mo obi meka nkire wo ma ne sa mo bi beka ncho papa sa wan kasa jimi na wani madwobiri se efunu na odisi wo no ma o meka sa asem ne nkyere na hwe se be ye wo de aboa wate sister wo ye kwasia wo be ma da wachi I hope say wo kunu no ana be ma na o da wachi no wajimi wo ye kwasia wo ye kraman o ye ofui onim nyansa ko betufu se emetna social media de wo meka obi enkot free wonni kunu na wonni mpana because dia waye wei hwane pe kankan wei hwane pe fufudafo wei hwane pe obi a movie mu ya bow gala bow chaskele ama pressure afaw nene wo betna social media be kanya wo fele poso be ka say mo madwuma mama ya na dwuma we na wo hehe na tene akoso Jolof wo hehe ene se woni mafutuo fu a woni mafutuo tu a ka kire akokohwede se omra fie na ni nua ene okra kwasia abuo biba ka kire akokohwede se omra fie na ni nua ene okra Efi se Kevin Taylor edi kan start atem didie edi MPP from panyimfo atem edi yatem ono ankasa san betena social ni media na so say ai na tem didie nti ene ma NDC fo eba power yanso yatem didie edi eba power se mo atem didie ti muti etimi di mutena opposition dia yanso ye betena opposition na satem didie fo mo antena opposition na Kevin Taylor betu na numutu se na tem didie na ma NDC fo mo ba power dia ene yanso yatem didie ebe ma MPP fo aba power etie ma kwasiafo ene entwamwa ene woni NDA ene wo mamwa ene NDA fu emamwa ne ba jalefo jonki no ye ma ne mfa ye mpanyimfo ene mututufo era kona san bra biem na wo ba ye de be hia ye beto ama pa onso fa bra ye tel
aye pinso one say from the video me show from the onset the main reason here you will be aware no say we obi are very reasonable I was saying who said dia na nekra don koye no it wasn't right ti dem make am so you reasonable ube hunu say ada na nekra don ko eye no it wasn't right so you have to first condemn what she did, because indirectly na omoke ye maame Moçk Samira Bawumia. Indirectly one say here enye bibia na aboa kwase agimi fo nkwana atem didi o anaso be twitwi o. Nipa no body language, the actions and reactions of the person, the actions and the reactions of the person tells what exactly the person is trying to say. And notice that I say action speaks louder than words. Actions speaks louder than words. What did I say? It's the panel actions and reactions will tell you what the person wants to tell you, what the person actually wants to say. And that is the reason why people are saying that what Naneka Donko did, wasn't right. Because in the actions and then the reactions, not sure say she had different motive and agenda behind what she came out to say. What did I trying to say? That's what people are saying. What do you also have to say? From the first video, and any the other response Abba. As citizen, someone who follow a Ghana and TV, you've been watching this whole thing from day one. A lot of news about that issue. So I think by now you should have something to say about this. What you actually think after saying the main reason people are saying all of the assault. Kind of saying all of the things that they are saying to the woman, no, the sort of things this is the genesis of the whole thing. So what you got to say about everything that is happening on the media regardless to Naneka Donko any Ghana Jolof. Hi Ghana and TV. I'm just only promise.